Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you an awesome way on how you can create photo collages on your iPhone or iPad for free. So to begin, we first have to download a free app from the Apple App Store. So I'll go ahead and do that now. So once I'm in here, I just want to go ahead and search for an app called PhotoGrid, and I will put links down below in the video description as well. So I'll just go ahead and search for this one. And this is the one we want to search for, PhotoGrid Pick Collage Maker. So I'll just go ahead and download this. So once the app has gone ahead and downloaded, I just want to go ahead and open this one. And automatically it will ask you to try Premium for free. However, you can just click on the X and exit out of this, and we can still go ahead and edit the collages for free. And now it will like us to send notifications, so I'll go Do Not Allow. And now I'll go to the grid. Now I can simply go ahead and pick the photos that I would like to add to the collage. So for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and select a couple of photos. Now I'll just go ahead and click these ones. Now once I'm done, I can just go ahead and press next. And now I can just press the back button. Again, it will try and ask us to go premium, but we can actually use this for free. So now I can just go ahead and tap got it. Now automatically it sets the collage to 3 vertical strips. However, you can simply change this by going to the layout. And down here we have multiple options that we can arrange it in. So you can go here, and some other unique shapes as well. So for this one, I'm just going to pick this. And now once we're in here, we can actually zoom into the particular photo as well and rearrange it to our liking. So in this one I can zoom in as well. And now I'll zoom out of this one, and I can zoom in a bit more. Now further down here we have a few other options as well. So if I go to border, I can actually change the border thickness, and down here I can also change the thickness of the borders in between the photos as well. And I can also go down here and change the roundness of the borders as well. Now if I'm happy with this, I can go to background, and if I go to color, I also have the ability to change the color of the borders as well. So say for example I want to change this to blue or maybe green, I can go ahead and do that as well. So I'm just going to put this back to white. And once I'm happy with the save as, I can just go ahead and press the tick. And now once I'm happy with my collage, I can go ahead and save this to my camera roll. So I can just go ahead and press save. And this will go ahead and automatically save to my camera roll. So now if I go to the Photos app on my iPhone, I can now see that I have the collage that I can now share on Facebook, Instagram, and pretty much anywhere else online. So there you have it guys, that's a really simple and easy way on how to create beautiful collages on your iPhone and iPad. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you'd like to see any other content like this, please comment down below in the comment section of any ideas that you may have, as I'll be happy to make more videos for all of you out there. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.